Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started now. There's still a few more people to come in, but that's okay. So we are still learning about phonics. This is day 2 of our phonics lesson. So who can remember what long vowel sound did we learn about yesterday? Did we learn about the long A, long O? What do you think? Everyone shout it out. 1, 2, 3.
Long E.
Very good. Well done, guys. The long E sound. That's what we've been learning about. So, homework yesterday was this. Have a look. We had 2 homework sheets, so let's start going through them. Words with EE and EA. Write a word for each clue. Number 1, it rhymes with C. It begins like bat. What did we get? Micah.
B.
B. Good girl. Like a buzzy, buzzy, busy. Good girl, Micah. Well done. Oops. Okay, number 2, it rhymes with beaches and it begins like pig. What did you get, Mickey?
I get beaches.
Peaches. Very good, like a delicious fruit that we can eat. Peaches. Now, here we had a little bit of confusion with some people. We get rid of the beginning sound, which is swa. Number 4, it rhymes with sheep. It begins like kitten. What did we get here, Leo?
Keep.
Keep. Very good. Can you spell it for me, Leo?
E. Keep.
Very good. So that's blending. K, e, p. Keep. Well done. So who can tell me, why is keep wrong? Why is keep a word, Ming Huang?
S and H.
Very good. There's an H, and there's no H in the word keep. Well done. Perfect work, Ming Huang. There is no H in the word keep. Now, again, I can see why there was a little bit of confusion. So look here. The beginning sound here is sh, sh, e, p, sheep. So when we say it begins like kitten, we have to get rid of the beginning sound. So the beginning sound is sh. So we get rid of sh and we replace it with k and we get the word keep, not keep. Okay, next, number 5. It rhymes with beast. It begins like fox. What is the answer? Hacker, what did you get?
Feet.
Feast. Very good. Well done. Good job, Hacker. Feast. So like a big meal. Okay, next. It rhymes with clean. It begins like bay. What did we get? Teddy.
Bean.
Bean. Good girl. Well done, Teddy. A bean. So again, here we had to remember that cl is the beginning sound. Cl. E, n, clean, but it begins like bay. So we get rid of the cl sound and we replace it with a b sound, which gives us bean. So not bleen. Bleen is not a word. We have to get rid of the beginning sound. Okay, good job. Then lots of you wrote interesting sentences using these words. Can you tell me one of your sentences? Let's go for Let's go for Hannah and Emma. What were one of your sentences using these words?
Peach.
Good girl. So you,
Peaches are yummy. They
very
are
good.
fruit.
Oh, lovely. Great sentence. Well done. Perfect. Amazing. Who else can give me one of their sentences?
A peaches is a is a yummy fruit.
Peaches are a yummy fruit. Good girl. Really good girl. Well done, Cindy. Okay, and let's go for Suri. What were one of your sentences, Suri?
The bee fly in my garden.
Very good. The bee flies in my garden. Great sentence. Asi, can you give me one of your sentences?
I like meat.
I like meat. Ah, okay. So that kind of meat would be spelled like this. Have a look. So if we said I like meat, like chicken or beef, we would spell meat like this, M-E-A-T. This meet means like to see someone. For example, I meet with my friends on a Friday. But you could say I like meat like this, and that would mean chicken or beef or pork. Okay, our next homework was this. Have a look. Okay, we had to circle the words that had the long E sound spelled E-E or E-A. So let's do it together. A creek is a small river or stream. Which two words in here should we circle? Shout it out.
Cream.
Creek and stream. Well done. Amazing. Okay, number 2. We ate roast beef and green beans. Beef. Green.
Bread.
Beans. Good. Number 3. The wheels on the car squeak.
Brand.
Wheels.
Con nặng học đi, sao cứ tô tô như thế?
And weak. Very good. Next, if you heat a pot of water, you can make steam. Heat and steam. Good job. Number 5, we clean our home every week. Clean and week. Good job. Well done. Clean and weak. Very good. Now what we had to do here was we had to write each word that we circled under the word that has the same spelling for the long E sound. So we had to decide whether to put the words in the double E spelling or in the EA spelling. So again, let's do this all together. Where should we put week? E or EA?
Double E.
Well done. What about stream? So guys, I need your help. I want you to shout it out. You tell me, EE or EA? Where do we put stream? Good. What about beef? Good. EE. What about beans? Good. What about beans? Good. EA. Okay, what about wheels? Good job. What about squeak? Good. Very good. What about heat? EA. What about steam? Good. What about clean? EA. And what about weak? Not EA, but EE for that one. Weak has a double E. EEK. Okay, good job, guys. Well done. Oh, very good. Well done. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to play a quiz. So, guys, we're going to play a long E quiz. We've got 15 questions. I want you to go on to joinmyquiz.com. So you type this into your internet browser and then type in the game code 272923. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Good job. All right, well done. So we're all finished in the chat box. So let's have a look at the leaderboard. Okay, number 1. First place is Teddy. Second place is Micah. Third place, Kwang Hai. Fourth place, Sarah. That's Ming Ha. And fifth place, Emma, followed by Hacker and Leo. Good job, guys. So let's just quickly go through the questions. A seal is on the beach. Really good. No one got that wrong. Number 2, please put your down. Your feet. No one should have their feet on the table. Next, the black ant has a big green leaf. The ant is carrying a big green leaf. Number 4, they will eat cake and drink sweet tea. Tea and cake always go well together. Number 5, have you met the queen? So have you met the queen? We go to sleep at bedtime. Do you like to hunt for deer? So deer are a kind of animal that look kind of like reindeer. They've got big horns. I play on a baseball team. Everyone got that right. I see coming from a pot on the stove. Okay, so we had 3 wrong here. So the answer was steam. Steam is what we see when we boil water. When water evaporates because of the heat, we see steam. Next, we all got this correct. We spell team with EA. This is a car called a Jeep, and a Jeep has the double E spelling. A Jeep is a very big car. Okay, next, fill in the missing letters in the word seat. Seat has the letters EA in it, only one incorrect here. Fill in the missing letters in the word ear. We spell ear with the letters E and A, E-A-R. Here, everyone got it right. We spell green with a double E. And last but not least, everyone got it right with M-E-A-T. That's the type of meat that we have. Good job. Guys, amazing work to you all. Really good. Very, very good job on your quiz, guys. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing that with you, and I want everyone to come back to the Zoom meeting. So don't look at the quiz anymore. Come back to the Zoom meeting. Everyone should be looking at me and my PowerPoint. Okay, guys, so the last thing we're going to do today is we're going to read a story that has lots of long E words in it. Now, I would like you guys to help me read. This story is called Reef Sees the World. Now I'm going to lower all your hands. If you would like to read, please click the raise your hand button, but I will also be calling on some people that maybe don't have their hand up who I haven't heard from. So if you would like to read, by all means, click the raise your hand button, but I will be picking on some people that I haven't heard much from today. So here we go. Reef sees the wide world. Let's start with Sao.
Reef sees the wide world. This story is about the
A
sea
seal.
seal named Reef, like all seals. Leaf, leaf, reef,
Reef.
spent, spent his left
Life.
swimming life swimming in vast green
In
sea.
the
In the vast green sea, Reef could swim fast and
dive.
dive deep.
Very good. Lovely reading. Well done, Sao. Okay, so we've met a seal called Reef who likes to swim in the green sea, and he likes to swim fast and dive deep. Okay, let's have a girl reading next. I would like, can I have Mingha? Can you read this for me? Reef dreamed
Reef dreamed of seeing far off lands. Reef dreamed of seeing the big wide world, but Reef did not know which way to go to see the wide world. Reef just stayed close to home.
Lovely reading. Good girl. Okay, so Reef wanted to go traveling. He wanted to see far off lands with beautiful mountains and palm trees, but he didn't know which way to go, so he always just stayed close to home. Let's see what happens next. Let's have a boy this time. Can I please have Lam? Can you read for me, please? Oh, Lam, I think you have muted yourself. Perfect. One day,
One day, we
spotted
spotted a bob, 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 and
bobbing.
bobbing on the way. It flaps the
It
flapped
flapped and
and
flapped.
flapped its wings, but it cannot lift up. Reef
Dove
dove and in and swam top
at
at top to it
speed.
feet to it.
Good.
May I help? Asked Reef.
Lovely reading. Thank you, Noob. So, Reef has spotted a big bird bobbing on the waves. What kind of bird is this? Is it a penguin? No. Is it a parrot? No. Any idea what kind of bird this is? It's a bird that lives at the sea. That might give you a clue. What kind of bird is this? Any ideas? Okay, Teddy, your hand is going up so many times. Just one time is enough. Teddy, go ahead.
It's the bird that eats fish and lives in the rocks mountain of the sea.
Good girl. Yeah, very good. Do you know the name of this bird?
Seal.
Not a seal, but it's a sea. Oh, I think Leo might be able to help. Good girl, though. It does eat fish and it lives in the rocks near the sea. Good girl, Teddy. Okay, Leo, do you know the answer?
Seabird.
Not a seabird. That's a good guess, though. Not a seabird, but you're close. Sea Quang Hai?
I know this word. I just know this Vietnamese word.
That's okay. Don't worry. It's a seagull. So in Finding Nemo, when we watched the movie, there were many seagulls, and they said, what did they say? What did all the seagulls say? Everyone tell me.
Me.
Mine, 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 mine. Very good. The greedy seagulls. Well done. Okay, let's keep reading. I would like a girl this time. Let's have Mickey. Can you read for me? Reef?
Reef help that bird get back to his swim
Stretch.
off the beach. Stay with me. Take it easy.
Rest.
Rest until you feel well. Says Ref. Thanks.
I'm Squeak.
I'm Squeak. Says Squeak.
Lovely reading. Good girl. So we've met a seagull called Squeak. Let's see what's going to happen next. Let's have a boy this time. Can I please have Ocean? Can you read for me? I'm Reef.
Said Reef.
Squeak.
Squeak need to eat and sleep. Reef.
Fixed.
Chris a big meal.
Squeak.
Squeak it well.
And
then lay in a nice safe spot to sleep. Reef will be had
he
had help Squeak.
Good, lovely reading. Thank you. So Reef and Squeak meet each other. Reef saves Squeak from the water and brings him back or her back to his piece of beach. Okay, what happens next? Let's have I would like Micah to read. Reef spent
the next day chatting with Squeak. Squeak had seen the big wide world. She had lots of tales to tell. Her tales made Reef think of his dream. He asked Squeak to help him get to far off lands.
Lovely reading. Thank you, Micah. So it's a really good thing that they needed that Reef found Squeak, because Reef saved Squeak and now they're talking about the big wide world. And lucky for Reef, Squeak has seen all of the big wide world. So Squeak is telling Reef all about her travels around the world. And it's exciting Reef because Reef wants to go traveling too. Let's find out what happens next. Quang Hai, can you read for me, please? Reef?
Reef and Squeak plan a long trip to land with green trees, green grasses, and beaches with white sand. At times, Squeak felt well and her wings felt stronger. It was time for Reef to swim. Reef
Swim away.
away with Squeak.
Lovely reading. Thank you, Kwanghai. So, Squeak's wings are getting strong. She feels much better after resting for a few days. And then what happens? Let's see. Can you read for me? Hannah and Emma. Reef. Hannah and Emma. Hannah and Emma, can you read for me? Reef.
Dove in the deep green sea. He swam as Squeak led away. Reef and Squeak went to those far lands. At long last, Reef got his wish to see the wide world.
He
saw his pal.
with his pal. Good job. Lovely reading, girls. Well done. So in the end, it's a very happy ending. Reef and Squeak go traveling the whole wide world because Squeak knows the way. Squeak has been traveling before, so Reef follows Squeak on their little journey across the world. So it's a very happy story. Okay, guys, that brings us to the end of our lesson. So I'm going to show you your home. Don't know why that happened, sorry. Let's have a look at your homework. So homework is, ta-da, here we go. Homework is 2 pages in your reader's notebook, page 188 and 194. So what we're going to do here on this page, you read the spelling words, free, teach, teeth, please, beach, and you sort them into the spellings. On the left-hand side, we have the EE words, and on the right-hand side, we have the EA words. I want you to underline the letters in each word that make the long E sound. So, number 1 says free. So free is going to go into the EE section. Then you're going to underline the letters EE to show me that they're the letters that make the long E sound. Then have a look at the next page. This one, you're going to write 2 words to complete each sentence. Use your to chew when you So you use 2 words from this box for each sentence. So each sentence needs 2 words, and you put in which words you think would make the most sense, that would best complete the sentence. Time for us